Hi there. In this video, we're going to have a look at how to use the Business Capabilities module. This is one of several data view modules available for you to use on CurateFx. In this module, we can see it is broken into three groups. We have strategic, core, and supporting. Each of these groups contain elements. If an element has a chevron in the bottom right, this means the element has child elements. We can click on that chevron and we can see the children of the element. Here, we can also see that some of the elements have been tagged with colors, stakeholders, and products and services. We can see further information by clicking on the element and clicking on settings. And here we can update the assigned stakeholders and products and services. We can also open the color tags and see that custom color tags have been added. To add a custom color tag, click on the cog and enter the text you desire for your label. Then click Save. Once we have a few items tagged with either colors, stakeholders, or products and services, we can make use of the filter. In the filter, we'll just select a color and we can select some stakeholders, products and services, and we're going to use the OR filter operator. There is also the option to use AND. Once we have our filter ready, we'll click the Apply Filter button, and this will show us all of the items that match with the filter. Another feature that's quite useful in this module is the export. Exporting the module will allow you to export the tagged items to PDF, CSV, or Word. Thank you for watching.